Breaking news, my country people. The NBA sends message to judge, makes demand after she revealed a son tried to bribe her with 10 billion naira. My country people, this allegation has been flying around on how the Kano Election Petition Tribunal, some people are trying to bribe the judges to sway their judgments in favor of a particular person, and how a particular staff was given the sum of 10 million naira. I can tell you that this disclosure left many in shock. Now this has become an open secret that some certain people are trying to bribe their way out of this, and now they are trying to bribe the judges in the Kano Election Petition Tribunal just to sway justice as it was previously done. So it seems that that's how they've been doing this. Now, my country people, this particular judge has revealed to the world and to Nigerians that a particular senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, attempted to bribe her with 10 billion, with 10 billion naira. And this matter has been taken up by the Nigerian Bar Association, the NBA, for further investigation and sanction if proven correct. Guys, let's find out more as we hit the news. But if you're joining us for the first time, you're very much welcome. I sincerely appreciate your presence. Kindly subscribe and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. A senior advocate of Nigeria who has a pending case before the court attempted to bribe a judge. And yes, this judge made it that money has been flying in this tribunal ever since the case started, that some certain people are trying to even collect this bribe on her behalf. But she said God will punish that person and his generation yet unborn to the 4th generation, as Ngi announced in open court on Tuesday. She said they keep abusing judges. They keep insulting judges every day in the papers, in the media, because they said they were taking bribes. But then, she has made it known that people have come to her, trying to approach her with bribes, but she is very contented with what God has given her. At least, she has a roof over her head. And later, Aranzi later confirmed her statement as saying, "What I said was that there is an allegation that money is transferred to the account of an orderly of one of us and a tribunal staff by a lawyer. The said staff is currently under investigation on this matter." And the lawyer attempted to bring meat for this particular judge during the El Kabar celebration, that's during the Salah celebration, which she declined. And she cautioned him that it is unethical. Now, the NBA sanction on public interest and development law has asked Azingi to name the culprit and has set up a panel of 3 members to investigate the allegation and submit a report within 10 days. The sanction described as shameless characters, senior lawyers who offered the bribe to pervert justice. It condemned the unethical act and condemned Azingi by disclosing the attempt to bribe her and compromise the tribunal, according to a statement issued by the NBA Spidel chairman John Aripoko Martins and the secretary Adeogun Fumi. Information has gone viral on social media, indicates that this Azingi the chairman of the National and the State House of Assembly Election Tribunal in Kano State, is an unprecedented manner, expressed displeasure and anger in the open court when she alleged that a senior advocate appearing before the tribunal attempted to bribe her to pervert the course of justice. The chairman was quoted to have particularly stated that a senior advocate of Nigeria, who has a pending case before the courts, was attempting to bribe me. The money has been flying in this tribunal since yesterday, and whosoever collects money on my behalf, according to this judge, she said, na only God go punish that person, and his children and his generation yet unborn, even to the 4th generation. Now so they abuse judges every day. They insult judges every day in the papers, in the media, say na so judges just dey take bribe. But as e dey be like this, make nobody come meet me say I don collect bribe, because as I dey here like this, I never collect any bribe, and I am quite contented, like I am satisfied with what I have. So my country people, this matter na very serious something. Now they don set up panel wey they go take investigate this matter, say a senior advocate is trying to bribe the tribunal. So as e dey be like this, this money don dey fly everywhere for the tribunal for quite some time before this issue came to light. And the SPIDEL strongly condemns this evil practice and attempt to compromise the integrity of the tribunal by these legal practitioners. It must be stated that attempts to bribe judges and subvert justice are not only criminal in nature, but also amount to infractions of rules of professional conduct, and any lawyer who engages in an attempt to compromise the integrity of the court or any of its officers is a disgrace and an embarrassment to legal profession. So as e dey be like this, my country people, this matter, in fact, everybody don't get to know about this matter, and they would investigate into this matter to get to the root of this. That person now has been exposed. Guys, this is really serious. So my country people, what are your thoughts on this? But then these are some few reactions from Nigerians. It is the same Azingi that once worked with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Then, who wants to bribe her do not know her. This woman is a woman of integrity and honor. I wish we have such a judge like Azingi presiding in the Nasarawa State Elections Tribunal. Meanwhile, we are praying for the Ajayi that is presiding in Nasarawa. May God give him the boldness and faithful spirit to stand any move of bribery. I know that Tinubu will never like such a woman because she is faithful. Imagine that this woman is the Attorney General of the Federation. But tribalism and nepotism will not allow Nigeria to grow. Guys, these are some few reactions from Nigerians. So my country people, I'm dropping here. What are your thoughts on this? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.